चलो give me one paper that I
एक्सीडेंट हुआ था उसके बाद हम लोग का जो कर्मी है
buses were broken when the buses are going to this program activity. But people who are involved only, they will be charged. But people who are not involved, they will not come.
तो हम लोग का जो लीडर्स हम लोग का प्रॉब्लम होता है
So people can take the allegation against